What's up, cryptopreneurs? Bitcoin Street here. Haven't made a video for a while. I'm resetting. I'll start making videos after the Super Bowl. I just had it in my mind. That's when I'll start getting into these crypto videos. And getting into the cycle. I just refreshing my mind, right? That was my plan, so I'm just gonna stick to it. I don't want to think too much about this right now. With that being said, recent video I talked about Bitcoin. Let's go to the Bitcoin chart real quick. I talked about Bitcoin. Watch out for the ETF buy the rumor, sell the news event. Let's go to the 5-year chart of Bitcoin. And this was ETF futures product, and I warned about it through here in one of my last videos, wherever that was. I warned about this happening, right? Now it won't be this drastic, of course, because we got the halving coming up, and that's just if it's a real Bitcoin ETF. This was a futures product, but this was the day it happened, right? Approved. Boom! Boom! Right? Here it is, ETF hype, boom. And it's a sell-off. I wouldn't be surprised. Bitcoin has a chance to come down to like 32,000 or so. That's not what I want to make this video about. Let's go back to Chainlink. We'll come back here to the Bitcoin chart here in a second. All these charts are going to be fairly similar on a 5-year. This is just what I want to talk about right here. Chainlink chart. I give out what I do. My most recent thing I did, I'm just started watching this here. And like I say, second week of February, I'll start getting into this for you. And last thing I did, I think I bought Chainlink at like $13 something here on Robinhood, just on the spot market. And I sold it at like $15.28 or so, ballpark. And now I have 2 buys set up on Chainlink on Robinhood. One at $13.11, one at $13.39. Anticipating this come down. I think Chainlink's probably stuck in this range between 13 and 17 for the foreseeable future, probably till the halving event. The same way it was stuck here, and this range is probably just a new range up here between 13 and 17. So keep that in mind. When it comes down to 13, I'll buy. When it gets up above 15, I'll look to start selling, and I might run up to 16, 17. But anyways, what I want to talk about is this. This is the COVID-19 dump right here. This is the halving event. This is the Chainlink chart. But this is the halving event of Bitcoin right in through here. 3 years, 11 months ago. Well, the Bitcoin looks like 3 years, 11 months. The halving events will be separated, not quite 4 years. But I think this is where we're at right now today. We've come up here. See the bear market last cycle's over here this way. And the bear winter, and then boom, it starts warming up. I think that's what this is here, boom. And most of the big cryptos are going to look just basically similar to this chart. I mean, a lot different, but in the grand scheme of 5-year scale, I think we're here. Now, take out the COVID dump, and this probably just kind of trends down for a while and then sideways. And then the Bitcoin halving event and the crypto market starts doing this, as you can see. I think this is basically where we're at now. Basically about where COVID dumped. That was in March of 2020. And this event, this next cycle will start probably a couple months earlier. Having events a month earlier, plus there's gonna be more hype and sizzle this time around. And so, March was the COVID dump. That's basically probably where we're at now, even though it's January, right? We're just a couple months ahead of schedule. So this is basically what we're probably looking at. Having event. This is probably, like right through here. I'll go to the charts, the real charts in the coming videos. I just want to make this Robinhood spot market deal. Having events, say here, right? Probably chin down, sideways, up and down on Chainlink. Bitcoin maybe 32, 33,000. Chainlink come down to maybe $12.80 or something. And I wouldn't expect it to come down any further than that, barring the COVID event. And then on our merry way. This is about to happen. I just want to make this video, and Chainlink's just the one I've been watching for now. And I just want to clear my mind and refresh In a recent video, one of my more recent videos, I talked about making a Chainlink, legendary Chainlink trade. And I think it was like right in through here as 10x, which I hardly ever do. And it's just $1,000, but I got liquidated, and it was like right immediately after I made the video talking about this legendary Chainlink trade I'm going to try to make. I had a safety net set up where if it dipped, I was expecting to dip. I had a safety net set up, and it went right down through it, and I couldn't get enough money in to protect it in time. It's kind of a flash crash. It was the cycle low of Chainlink, right? If this was showing bars and stuff, there'd be a wick, boom. And immediately after I made that video, it's almost like just some kind of quantum computer out there that doesn't like me, right? And that's stalking me. Some of the things that have happened to me in this subject, this area of trading, it's hard for me to grasp the timing of it. I mean, right when I say I'm going to do this, it comes down, boom, flash crash to its all-time, or not all-time, but it's the cycle low. And then that trade would have made me like $20,000. And, right, so I've seen enough of that kind of stuff. It's kind of boggling my mind. But I'm refreshing, right? In February, I'll get into it, which will be right about through here on the grand scheme of things. Of course, we're over here, but right. And this is what's coming in the next few months, folks. So that's it. I guess I'll let you get going. Let's see, Bitcoin. Let's go to the Bitcoin chart. I just like talking about what I do because it's just probably good information for everyone out there. I expect most people watching my videos are similar to me. I just want to say the mistake I made last time around was I don't have a lot of money, right? And the mistake I made was thinking I needed to use leverage and because I don't have enough money, right? I'm too small. And there's two problems I had. That feeling of not having enough. So you use leverage. And then the second that I haven't really talked about is right up here, I was basically life-changing money. And there's part of me that really doesn't like any of this. Because up here, if I sold, I would have taken profit and I would have taken the public's money, right? And so if you really start to understand what this whole thing is, it's basically the professionals get in here and it comes up here, and the public gets in here, and the professionals take all their money, and then the public goes over here and sells, right? The professionals buy through here. And it's real bad with crypto because it's predictable when these pumps are coming, right? And then, boom, it pumps way up here. Right when the public buys in, the professionals sell, and it comes down here, and the public gets it handed to them, and the public usually panic sells down here for massive, massive losses, if not liquidated because they're using leverage and don't know what they're doing. So I had a hard time selling up here. I was hoping it would stay up here and I could take out loans. I was new to crypto, and actually, no, I'm at some point here. Here. This is where I had life-changing money. The Elon Musk dump. Here I called this one perfectly, but I had got washed out and I couldn't really do anything about it. So, but that's my personal story. And those two different elements. The first one, more so for everyone watching. If you feel like you're too small and you only got a little bit of money, you know, don't let that make you make mistakes, because there's going to be these massive corrections, right? If you're using leverage, this market will take your money. You're dealing with the professionals around the world. They will take your money. So this is a spot market here, and we're right about here on a Bitcoin chart. COVID dump, boom. We're basically here in the time scale of things with the COVID, with the Bitcoin halving event coming here, right? We're basically here, halving events here. This is coming, right? We're here, having events here. This is coming, right? All right, later. Have a good day.